Good morning to all. I am Kasturi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Shakti College of Arts and Science for Women in Ottanchitram. Today we have discussed about in my topic cost accounting. First one, meaning of cost accounting. Cost accounting is used internally by management in order to make fully informed business decision, which provides information to external financial statement user. Cost accounting is not required to set standard and can be flexible to meet the needs of management. Cost accounting consider all input costs associated with production, including both variable and fixed cost. What is cost accounting? Cost accounting is a form of managerial accounting that aim to capture a company's total cost of production by assessing the variable cost of each step of production as well as fixed costs such as a lease expenses. Then, understanding cost accounting. Cost accounting is used by a company's internal management team to identify all variable fixed costs associated with the production process. Then, it will first measure and record these costs individually, then compare input cost to output result to aid measuring financial performance and making future business decisions. Then types of cost. First one, fixed cost, then variable cost and operating cost, then direct cost and indirect cost. Fixed cost. So fixed cost, as also known as indirect cost, or overhead cost, are business expenses that are not goods and service. So first method works by using this formula. Fixed cost is equal to total cost of production. So variable cost per unit int number of units produced, that is formula fixed cost, then variable cost. Then variable costing. Variable costing is a methodology that only assigns variable cost to inventory. That is, approach means that all overhead costs are changed to expenses period incurred. So simple formula, total variable cost is equal to cost per unit int total number of units. Then operating cost. Operating costs are the ongoing expenses incurred from the normal day and day-to-day of running a business. Operating costs include both cost of goods sold. So simpling formula, cost of goods sold plus operating expenses. So operating expenses include in administrative and office expenses and rent, salary to staff, insurance and direct fees, etc. So direct costing is a form of cost analysis that only uses variable cost to make decision, does not consider fixed cost, and which are assumed to be associated with the time periods in which they are incurred. Then indirect cost. Indirect costs are costs that are not directly accountable to a cost object. Indirect costs may be either fixed or variable. Indirect costs include administration, personnel and security costs. There are those costs which are not directly related to production. Then cost and financial accounting difference between. Cost accounting. While cost accounting is often used by management within a company to aid in decision making. Example, budgeting and transaction. Financial accounting. Financial accounting present a company's financial position and performance to external sources through financial statement. Example, revenue, expenses, assets and liabilities. Then types of cost accounting. First one, standard costing. Standard costing is a technique where the firm compares the cost Then types of cost accounting. First one, standard costing. Standard costing is a technique where the firm compares the costs that were incurred at productions of goods. Then activity based cost. Activity based costing method of overhead indirect cost such as product and service. Improve the quality of the calculation by using the amount of involved making. Then land costing. Land costing is management in approach of financial measurement that make cost create visible organization. And marginal costing. Marginal costing is a costing technique wherein the marginal cost. So, while the fixed cost for the period is completely written off against the contribution, the marginal costing is the changes in the total cost from the quantity produced in by one the marginal costing. Then break even point. So specifically cost accounting point at which total cost and total revenue are equal. Then history of cost accounting. Scholars believe that cost accounting was first developed during the Industrial Revolution when the emerging economics of industrial supply and demand. Cost accounting allowed railroad and steel companies to control cost become more efficiency. By the beginning of the 20th century, cost accounting had become a widely converted topic in the literatures of business management. Why is cost accounting used? Cost accounting is helps because it can identify where a company is spending its money, how much is earned, and where money is being lost. So, cost accounting aims to report, analyze, and lead to the improvement of internal cost and control and efficiency. What types of costs go into cost accounting? This will vary from industry to industry and firm to firm. However, certain cost categories will typically be included, such as, so example, direct cost, indirect cost, variable cost, fixed cost, and operating cost. Then advantages of the cost accounting. Cost accounting's method are developed by and to a specific firm. They are highly customizable and acceptable. So managers appropriate cost accounting because it can be accepted and implemented according to the changing need of the business. So financial accounting is standard board. Thank you to all.